Hey everyone! In this video I'm going to show you how to shop online using Klarna in mobile. Let's get into it. First, open the app and search for a store. The first step is to open the shopping tool on your phone and find the shop where you want to buy your things. You need to start here so the app can help you at the checkout later. Open the app and use the search bar at the top to type in the name of the store. Click on the store's picture or name to open their checkout inside the app, because the app needs to be open to track your total cost. You have to shop this way so the special payment tools stay active while you browse. Without this step, you would be shopping on a regular browser and you wouldn't see the option to split your payments. Next, add your items to the cart. You go through the store just like you always do and pick out the items you want to take home. Find the things you like and click the button to add them to your shopping bag. When you are done picking, click on the bag icon to see your total list, because it lets the system know exactly how much money you are planning to spend. By filling your cart, you are preparing the numbers. It ensures that when you are ready to pay, the app knows the right amount to set up for your plan. Next, click the pink payment button. Now that you have your items ready, you need to use the special button that allows you to pay in parts. Look at the bottom of your phone screen and click the bright pink button that says Pay with Klarna. Wait for the app to show you a summary of your total cost and your payment dates. This button is what makes the magic happen. This is the key step to getting the right output and letting the system create a digital card. It takes your big total and turns it into smaller, easier payments that you can handle one at a time. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.